Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert long videos into shorts using AI. So if you have a channel where you have a lot of long videos and you are trying to repurpose them into a short forms and you like to put them on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to easily do that with the help of AI. This AI is not just going to trim your videos or create shorts. It's also going to add subtitles, add a lot of effect and different things to the video. So it's actually going to help you to make good short videos from your long form content. So to get started, we're going to go to our browser and then you're going to go to this website called twoshorts.ai. Yeah, twoshorts.ai. So when you go to twoshorts.ai, twoshorts.ai has various pricing levels, but then they have a free plan that is very generous. So the free plan allows you to generate up to 30 minutes of AI video per month, and you can actually download these short videos every month. So with the free plan you have 30 minutes AI per month, which is pretty decent. If you want to do more than that, you can go to the light plan that allows you to do 5 hours of AI video analyzing per month. Okay, so but for this tutorial we'll just be going with the free plan. I'm just going to click on this button to create a free account. So when you click on create a free account, TwoShorts will ask you to log in with your Google account, and once you log in with your Google account, you'll be given a free account that allows you to convert any of your video into a short form. So I'll just click on sign in with Google, and then I'll choose my Google account, confirm the process, and within a few seconds I am in. So this is the screen you'll be presented with when you just sign up with twoshorts.ai. To begin, you need to paste a YouTube link of your long video. So you have to go to your profile, your YouTube profile or YouTube page. This is mine, and then you find a long video that you want to convert. So I'm just going to pick this video about ChatGPT, and then I'm going to copy the address, the URL to the video, and then I'll come back to twoshorts.ai and I'm going to paste it right there, and then I'm going to click on this generate shorts button to start generating shorts from this long video. So now twoshorts.ai will do its magic. It's going to go through the whole length of the video, and then it's going to create different short versions that you can choose from. So it's not going to create just one, it's going to create maybe 6 or 7 or 8 short versions, and then from these available shorts you can pick 1 or 2, make a little adjustment here and there till you are satisfied with it, and then you can download that particular video and then you'll be able to upload it on your YouTube channel as a short form. Okay, so we're waiting for this to generate. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So right now it has generated 7 ideas for our short videos, and as you can see you can actually generate more. So 7% of the video have been analyzed, but I won't be generating more. I will look at one of these and then we're going to pick this and edit it. So let me choose. So let me select the last one here that is 31 seconds long for the short. So I'm going to click on this arrow so that we can check this out and edit it to our liking. So when I click on this option comes. You can see you can actually preview the video from this point to see the part of the video that has been chosen for the short form. Okay, so what I will do now is I'll just click on edit and export, and then it's going to take us to the editing page. This is where you can edit the short video. Right now this video is about 30 seconds long, but then I'm going to edit it to 1 minute. I'm going to add more length to the video so that we can have up to 1 minute of content for the short video before we then export it. Panel. On this left panel you can. So now this is the short video. It has been generated for us, and this is the editing page where you can edit it. Right, as you can see, these are subtitle styles here. So there are different styles for the subtitles. You can pick anyone that you want. There's transition also here for the subtitle. There's word highlight. You can change the color. The default is blue. So usually I keep the default for all of this. The default actually looks good. So the main thing we want to do is actually to edit the video. As you can see, the video I want to use is a long form content. So the aspect ratio is different from the short form content. So one thing I want to do is I want to drag this video from the edge and bring it in. Okay, and then I'm going to drag this to the center, and now I'm going to stretch it out by the middle here. Okay, so some of the content is still hidden. I still want them to be visible, so you have to drag and stretch to achieve the results you need. Okay, so then I'm going to stretch this. Now I believe the most of the content is visible now for anyone that wants to watch this video. So I'm going to align it like this. Okay, you can scroll up and down on the video editor to access the timeline below. So right now this video is about 30 seconds, but then I want it to be longer than that. So what I'll do is I'll come here to this timeline. You can see where the mouse is, my cursor. I'm going to drag this till it gets to about 59 seconds, which is the maximum. So now I've extended the length of the video by just dragging this, and I can drag this to any point to start playing the video to test. The chat history, you can see the previous conversations you've had with ChatGPT, and you can also start a. Okay, so I just want to do something. I want to drag this video out a bit. I want to make it bigger. So you have to play around with this editor till you are satisfied with the quality of what you have. Okay, it's pretty important for you to do that because you are trying to convert a long video into a short one. So a lot of things will be cut off, and the best thing to do is to just manually edit this till what you need is actually in view. Okay, so I think I'll just go with this. You get it there. So fine. New chat by clicking on the new chat button. So for example, now the subtitle is fine, the video is cool. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the export button right here, and when you click on the export button, you'll be able to save this video to your computer. And then once that is done, all you have to do is to just upload the video on YouTube as a short content, and you can start using it to generate views and traffic to your main video. So that's it, guys. TooShort.ai. Log in with your Google account, put your YouTube video URL, come to the editing page, and then you can edit your short video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.